Good morning, students. Today's lesson is our environment. Introduction. We live on the beautiful blue planet, the Earth. It has air to breathe, water to drink, and all things which we need to survive. But due to our carelessness, we are causing harmful changes to it. That is also affecting our lives. Environment. Anything that surrounds us is known as our environment. The environment comprises of all living and non-living things. Human beings, plants and animals are the living things. Air, water, light, soil, rock, etc. are non-living things. In order to live a healthy and happy life, it is very important to have a clean environment. Clean environment means clean and fresh air, land with many trees and pollution-free water bodies. Due to growing human population, our modern lifestyles, our carelessness, unawareness, and some of our activities, environment is being polluted. It is our duty to save the environment to save our planet Earth. For example, we need to manage waste properly and take care of natural resources. What should we do to protect our environment? We can save the environment by minimizing the use of firewood, coal, and petroleum products, using renewable energy sources like solar energy. For example, solar cooker and solar heaters can be used for heating water and cooking. Closing taps while brushing teeth or immediately after use to save water. Storing rainwater in tanks, in the ground or in buckets. The stored water can be used for watering plants and for washing cars, etc. Carpooling or using public transport to reach office or school. Turning off electrical appliances when not in use. Get pollution check for vehicles. Using CFL compact fluorescent light bulbs, they use 1/4 of energy as compared to other bulbs. They cost more but last longer. Running dishwasher and washing machine only when with full load. Using environment friendly products like recycled paper, carry reusable bags to market, planting more and more trees. What we should not do. Do not throw garbage on streets, in the classroom or in the parks. Litter spreads germs and produce foul smell. Use dustbin and keep your surroundings clean. Do not use polythene bags and plastic cups as these are non-biodegradable. Vehicles like cars and motorcycles release smoke and cause air pollution. Do not burn fossil fuels like coal and petroleum as these release harmful gases on burning and cause global warming. Do not use pesticides, insecticides or chemicals. Pesticides kills hundreds of birds and other animals every year. Factories must not throw waste into rivers without treating them. Do not cut trees. Trees absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide and keep the surrounding green and fresh. We should not wash clothes, utensils, or bathe animals in rivers and lakes. Avoid burning crackers during Diwali to prevent air pollution. Do not play loud music or blow horn unnecessarily to avoid pollution. Do not waste paper. Write on both sides of a paper. Do not hunt animals. They are an important part of our surroundings. Summary. The natural world and the living and non-living things around us form our environment. Environment gets polluted by human activities. We should keep our surroundings clean and safe. Do not cut trees but plant more trees. We should save our natural resources. We should always throw waste in dustbin and not on roads or in water bodies. We should not waste electricity and water. Children can play active role in protecting our environment.